What does Turnaround Academy mean for business manager and business leader? How can it be converted into value and opportunity? Is the time now volatile, complex, confusing, uncertain for any opportunity? Turnaround Academy program will provide you a solid foundation to know the world best practices for your future career goal. My name is Sanjay Das. I am the Academic Director for Turnaround Academy program. I am BTech in Mechanical Engineering, having 21 years of experience in oil and gas field. The Turnaround Academy is a multi-years of initiative supporting by world prestigious organizations, turnaround managers, team leaders, turnaround engineers, core team leader, core team engineers, and world best turnaround professionals for knowledge sharing. You can expect to receive world-class coaching, invaluable mentoring, even you can hire a professional to prepare the draft presentations for your day-to-day activity as required for your organizations, to build up the planning norms for your organizations. You can learn step by step Primavera P6 without leaving your present job online, so that whenever you have free time, you can go through this and do the practice. So it will enhance your Primavera skill to make the plan for you. Do you know how to estimate the plant and equipment for turnaround other than copycat historical data reference type? Are you looking for HSC and QQC plan for your project? Do you know how to prepare the budget and budget control procedure for your project so that you can do cost benefit analysis before taking any major decision for your turnaround? How to prepare yourself for any turnaround interview? How to develop the turnaround contract? Either it is lump sum contract or reimbursable man-hour basis contract. So all these aspects of Turnaround Academy, changing the landscape for various fields in which you can make better planning and execution, so that you can take informed business decision and generate better value for your organization. Therefore, Turnaround Academy program are meant not only for business managers and business leaders, also for planning engineers, execution engineers, supervisors, developing, planners, even for technicians. I look forward to see you in Turnaround Academy.